Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very special limited edition beauty box unboxing to share with you. And it's the gorgeous Lookfantastic and Elizabeth Arden collaboration box. It's just like a little advent calendar. It opens up like this to reveal drawers. And it's got number 1 cleanse, number 2 boost, number 3 treat, and number 4 protect. And all the products are inside there. It's gorgeous, isn't it? This has got to be my favourite limited edition beauty box design. It is so lovely. And last one down there then. So to buy this box, which is available on the Lookfantastic website now, it will cost you £65, or if you are a subscriber to their monthly beauty box subscription, you have a £5 discount, so you're able to purchase it for £60, and it has a value of £187, so you're saving around £120. If you are not subscribed to the monthly subscription box, but you'd like to take advantage of the £5 discount off this box and subscribe at the same time, then there's a code that you can use, which I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description, and everything related to this limited edition beauty box and any other offers Lookfantastic have on their website will be listed down there. So with every box you will receive a booklet, and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus it's all brand focused, so there's lots of information like gift guides, a look back in time, so it's like a little magazine. So Elizabeth Arden, New York, scientific skincare, enhancing colour, timeless fragrance. Elizabeth Arden is recognised worldwide for innovative beauty products, technology-driven skincare, trend-setting makeup, and distinctive perfumes. Inside this Lookfantastic X Elizabeth Arden Skincare Limited Edition Beauty Box, you will find a curated selection of full and deluxe size products for the ultimate start-to-finish luxury skincare regime. Be sure to scan the embedded QR codes with your phone to bring the Elizabeth Arden story to life. Okay, so on the pages you'll find little QR codes like this. Yeah, there's one there as well at the top. I'll scan one of them so I can show you. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. So the first item in the box is a cleanser, and this is called PREVAGE, an anti-aging treatment boosting cleanser, and we've got 125 mils here. So the information in the booklet says, the creamy, lightly foaming formula clears the way for maximum treatment benefits, leaving skin feeling cleansed, comfortable and healthy looking. Oh, it feels so nice. You can feel the little grains in there, and you can see it's slightly foaming up there. Hopefully you can see. Very faint scent. It's nice. It is nice. It smells very nice and fresh and clean. So that's the first item in the box. Next we got a Superstart Skin Renewal Booster, and we've got 50 mils here. That is gorgeous. That is such cool packaging. Look, it's a little thingy there. Ah, it's a lock. It's a lock. If I turn that like that, it's a lock. Nothing will come out. But if I twist it over there, then something will. Woo. There. It says that Superstart's ultra-lightweight, fast-absorbing formula is proven to restore the healthy appearance of the surface layer for supple, smooth and more radiant-looking skin. It's spreading out really nicely, so you only need a tiny bit on your skin. So we got a Superstart Skin Renewal Booster. So before I go on to seeing what the others are, I'm going to scan this page here. Oh, I really like that. It's a little video showing you the products. On Instagram. Next we've got some samples. Now these are 7-day samples, and you've got a tube there which I'll talk to you about in a little while. I have tried these capsules before, not any of these though. I think, no, not a retinol one. What one have I had before? I think it's just the normal capsules. I can't remember what they were now, but this is retinol and this is a new one, a hyaluronic acid. So it gives you a good chance to try them out to see whether they suit your skin or not, whether you like it or not. So what can I tell you about the hyaluronic acid ones? Hyaluronic acid draws in moisture where skin strengthens ceramides, lock it in. Instant plumping power in every dose to reclaim skin's youthful bounce. Now hyaluronic acid depletes the older we get, so we make it naturally in our bodies, but the older we get we make less of it, so adding it into your skincare regime is really essential. Well, for plumped, hydrated skin, that is. So there's that one. So the retinol one, what can I tell you? 76 more potent compared to its non-encapsulated equivalent. This award-winning retinol serum is a targeted treatment to visibly diminish lines and wrinkles while improving skin texture and tone. Each biodegradable capsule is single-use and sealed tight for optimal freshness and potency. And then it just goes on to tell you how to use it, but these are to be used at night. So there's those. And then this is our next sample, or a little mini. And this is PREVAGE Anti-Aging Intensive Repair Daily Serum. You got 5 mils there. This product is a winner of 220 beauty awards, harnessing the single most powerful antioxidant, PREVAGE, with idebenone, I think that's how you say it, helps to reverse aging signs and visible environmental damage for younger looking skin. Idebenone also helps support the skin's natural repair mechanisms to address past damage and restore a youthful appearance. With continued use, it significantly reduces the visible appearance of age spots, wrinkles, and even deep lines. It says apply 1 to 2 drops to fingertips, smooth on to cleanse face and throat, and use daily. So there's that. Next we got a lip protectant, and this is from the 8 Hour range. This rich formula helps strengthen your lips' delicate moisture barrier while delivering intense long-lasting moisture that immediately soothes your lips. It leaves lips looking more healthier and beautiful than ever before. It's got lemon in it, lemon or lemongrass. No, that's lovely. So we've got a lip protectant. And lastly, we've got the original 8 Hour Cream Skin Protectant, and there's 50 mils here. Now I have this, and this is really, really nice. It's a good all-round multi-purpose type skin cream. It says here, this legendary skincare classic works wonders to moisturize and protect anytime, any way you choose. Shape brows, revitalize shine, soothe dry hands, and smooth cuticles and nails. Also for symptoms of chapping, peeling or flaking due to minor burns, sunburn, windburn, scrapes, abrasions, or cracked lips. Clinically and dermatologically tested. Use liberally as often as needed. I tend to use this for my cuticles. I don't know about you, but I've noticed since I've been using hand sanitizers up to 50 times a day. Okay, it's exaggerating, but using them a hell of a lot. I'm noticing my skin is like peeling there, but also my cuticles are really, really dry. And yeah, I've been using this, and it does really help. I tend to use it at night. There is one sold worldwide every minute, and then it goes into telling you what I read off the back here, but it's got a little list of how it helps your skin and what it can be used for. So lots of different options there, isn't there? Lots of different ways to use. So yeah, so those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up and do a bit of a recap for you. So firstly, we've got a PREVAGE Anti-Aging Boosting Cleanser. Next, we've got a Superstart Skin Renewing Booster. Then we've got an 8 Hour Lip Protectant, 7-day use Hyaluronic Acid Capsules. We've got a 7-day use Retinol Capsules. We've got a PREVAGE Intensive Repair Daily Serum. And lastly, we've got the original 8 Hour Cream. The cost of the box is £60 if you are a subscriber to their monthly beauty box, or it's £65, and the value is £187. I think this would make an amazing, amazing Christmas gift. I just think the box is beautiful. If someone bought me this as a Christmas present, I would be so, so chuffed. It is gorgeous. I really, really do like it. Really excited to try the skin booster. That sounds amazing. And yeah, no, some really lovely things in there. So no, thank you to Lookfantastic for sending this out to me. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you ordered it for yourself, or are you ordering it as a Christmas present for someone, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.